Today we are doing the unboxing of, for a different time, for a different change, we are doing the unboxing of 1 terabyte external hard disk. So let's start the unboxing of this hard disk. So as you can see, again I've just ordered this from Flipkart. So many things are coming from my way from the Flipkart only. Again, the link of this terabyte is in the description below. You can check that. Since the sale is going on, although the Seagate hard disk is showing for me for around 4500, but for me it has gotten around 3800, and with a 3-year warranty. The packing is very good. So this is the hard disk which we got it from Flipkart. So above you can see is showing up 1-year limited warranty and 3-year limited warranty, guarantee limited, something like that in different language. So on the back side you can see various languages which we have written over here. To avail the warranty, you have to log in to their website, that is www.seagate.com/retailwarranty. On the side you can see is saying connect with Connectix A, something like that, which I don't know. So on the other side some sticker is there, it's showing that you can connect it to Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10, and it supports USB 3.0 and USB 2.0. So let me unwrap the polythene from this. So inside the box I've got some instruction manual that how you connect to the laptop. Inside I've got cable connected with, so connect to the laptop with this. So this side will be connected to the laptop and this side will be connected with the external hard disk. So this is the external hard disk. The pattern of the hard disk is very good. You can see it's very smooth, and plus it's a design way. This is for the light. So when you connect with the laptop with the hard disk, a light will blink over here, and you can see that now it's connected, and you can use to transfer various files. So behind also there's the same pattern, which is very smooth, and over here it's written 1 terabyte. So it's all black. So once again let's use it for a couple of days so I can tell you that how is it after using it. So how was the speed. So till then, please subscribe to my channel and keep on watching other unboxing videos of other phones.